Here we are in the something or other. I don't know where exactly we are.
This is the Lincoln Beach Harbor.
Lincoln Beach Harbor. Stella already snacking on some cookies. Say hi.
Hi!
Oh, there's a buoy. As you can see, it is very shallow where we are.
Low, no wake.
Yep.
I can't see Bird Island!
There's Abby.
Dang it, I need to put in a waypoint. Let's go find this place again.
We need to put in a waypoint. There's you can't see it on the video. Ugh.
Hi.
I don't know if I'm videoing you. I'm doing this backwards.
Hi.
Oh yeah. Hey, Liz.
Hi there.
So here we have Liza just trailing along.
Oh, the wind's blowing us out.
Some strong winds. Pretty overcast. Sky good. Mostly.
Sky good.
Raining before. Now it's pretty much just wind. Perfect sailing weather.
March.
Exploding.
Here we are getting into the actual lake now. Even that.
Okay, I just put in a mark. Look at, we're sailing. I'm not even doing a thing. Okay.
We're sailing without our sails even open.
Hey, Dad, is that
So
it?
that's how you know the wind is good.
I think I can see it. Guys, do you see something up
Oh,
there? It's like Bird Island.
I don't think that's it.
It looks like it.
up. I can't see anything.
Where's circling
Oh, there's a lot of birds over there. Stella, still eating her cookies.
it? Quick, Abby.
How are your cookies?
Get it ready.
Recess.
Okay.
Are you allergic?
Okay, Abbers. Say hi, Stella. Still eating cookies. Here we have Dad. Okay. Liza is still following behind. We are now,
Let's see. How far does it say we have to go this?
okay, we're going 4.3 miles an hour. And, it looks like Bird Island is 2 miles away.
Half an hour.
So we have about half an hour. We are going crazy fast. And we have some major waves. Liza's sure having fun back there. We got so much speed that the water started coming over. We have some water in the boat.
I think.
It's kind of cold,
Are you cold?
just on my thigh.
You could sit up on the deck, probably.
I think we just need to bail a bit. Besides that, everything's good.
Are you gonna try and stand up right in the front?
Yeah.
Wind in our sails.
I'll get to that
We
one.
think we see Bird Island. Dad. Oh. That is what happens when Dad leans forward.
Yeah, that's all the last of the boat right here.
Okay. I think that's... Where is it? Where's Bird Island?
I think I can see it. I think you're right. Man, we couldn't see it at all last time.
Somewhere out yonder. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but sure see it here.
Closing it?
Yeah. I've pretty much got to sail the boat. That's what I've got. Get a picture of how well the sail's setting.
That is extremely nice.
Dad, are you loving
We're just cruising.
Dad, are you loving this?
Okay, it's gonna end it. Oops, accidental.
It's recording. Dad, I'm seeing a sailboat. can see Bird Island and we're going super fast. We're almost there. See, you can see the birds flying around now.